Okay. Staying at the Las Vegas Hotel. The Sahara Las Vegas Hotel, rather. And this is in the Alexandria Tower. And this is what you get. You can get either a king size bed or you got 2 queens. You have that lady staring at you over your bed. But you get your nightstand in the middle with the phone. You get your mirror with the desk, and of course, COVID. So the bar is empty, but we came fully stocked with our own stuff to fill the bar. Sodas, liquor, whatever, water. Love water. It's Vegas. You need water. And of course, another mirror. That's our stuff over there. And another little desk. This is the other side of the room. You have your little light fixture. And you have this long chase lounge. It goes wall to wall. Of course, we really didn't get much of a view this time. But usually you have pretty good views. And this is from the 3rd floor. You have your flat screen TV and a table to eat on. This is a little hallway with a mirror. Of course, I am not trying to be seen right now because I just got finished driving. So I look crazy. Oop, I knocked something over. This is like a little shelving closet with drawers and a safe. We set some stuff there. You have this bathroom. Oh, that's just the wall. I'm showing y'all the wall. And it has a sliding glass door. And, of course, the shower. Bathroom. I like a shelf on the bottom. Ah! I look crazy. And the shower, of course, with the bomb shower heads. Yes, ma'am. So that's our room here at the Sahara Las Vegas. Amazing. I mean, it's really a comfortable stay here. I love it. Stay here multiple times and it's amazing. Hope you enjoyed this room tour. Hi guys, so I'm back. We're switching rooms. We're gonna be on the 17th floor. So let's see what that is gonna be about. And then I'm gonna get dressed, okay? Okay, I'm recording, Lori. Well, we got a new room and this is our new view. So look, we can see one of the pools, the rooftop pools, and then the other one is under construction. And then we can see a couple of hotels, the Conrad, the Hilton. I don't know which building this is.
I remember when the Aria was
some condominiums. I still love the Aria.
People were like, Aria, where's that? I'm like, you need to go stay.
We didn't stay at most of these hotels on the strip though.
Oh, yeah.
We love Vegas. Every time we come, we try to stay somewhere different.
Treasure, Cosmo, Vadera.
But lately, we've been liking to stay here at the Sahara.
Isn't it nice?
Yeah, we stayed there several times.
I like that.
At least 2 stays. I look crazy, y'all, but I'm going to do a transformation. I am going to dress up.
I don't mind staying at that Hilton because the other Hilton doesn't have a casino. I'm assuming this one does. But I still like the Elantra.
I watched my...
Elantra?
Elara.
It's nice.
Elara was okay. It just didn't have no casino. I like casino. When I come to Vegas, I like old time Vegas. I like the lights. I like
But that penthouse suite was nice at the top where you get the...
It was beautiful. I did like it. It was beautiful, so modern at the Elara. We've had some good stays in Vegas. That's why
we haven't stayed. MGM, we stayed at the Tropicana.
Every hotel pretty much we've stayed at, all the major ones on the strip.
What haven't we stayed at?
Did she leave? So that's just my phone sitting there on the bench, but it's the same room. And at this point, I have been driving all night. So basically, I'm just gonna go and take a shower. Cause yeah, y'all get me looking crazy, which it's okay. We human, right? So I'm gonna go take a shower, and then I'm gonna show you what baby girl can do, okay? And we gonna find us something to do. I don't know what we gonna do, but because we really don't have no plans. When we come to Vegas, we pretty much like to just lay around, chill. Like most people like to just be partying drunk. Like I get drunk in the room. I don't need to be out pissy drunk and be going all kind of places. I'm a homebody in Vegas because I come here so much. This is like my second home, so I don't know. I just love this place. Like I can come here and sleep. We have came here and slept our whole stay, and we don't give a fuck. Cause this is it's just a cozy, comfy place for us to be. And you know, we already know we've done shows, so many shows, and we did so many of the activities. There's only a few things we haven't done in Vegas that we of course gonna do because this is our place. We gonna conquer it. So I think we're gonna get dressed. I'm so severely suntan. I'm gonna hit the pool again, but maybe not today, but I'm gonna hit the pool again. We was here for Memorial Day and we kind of got like, we didn't have no suntan lotion, and I know that is against all the rules because you gotta take care of your skin. But baby, we didn't take care of our skin. We went out in that sun for Memorial Day. It saturated our skin, our melanin, and it burned us. And right now I'm in the healing process. I'm peeling. My body is rejecting whatever that suntan was. My body is shedding like a snake, and I've been putting aloe vera on it. Anything I can do to moisturize it because my skin was very dry, and that was my fault. I'm just telling you my experience. Always go out with your suntan lotion, and actually I would recommend, even when you wear your suntan lotion, you put on your aloe vera and you moisturize that skin, because that sun, especially in these desert places, will saturate your skin and take your skin out. It don't give a damn. It don't give a damn. So yes, please take care of your skin. So anyway, I'm gonna start rambling because I can ramble. I'm a talker, okay? And then shut up. And then I'm gonna get dressed. I'm gonna get cute, okay? I'm gonna try to get cute, because I've been wearing my hair in a ponytail, and I'm so sick of wearing my hair in a ponytail. But it's hot, and you know I love my wigs, but I'm gonna tell you the truth. I don't feel like wearing no hot ass hair on my neck and my shoulders and all that kind of stuff. So I don't know what kind of hair I'm gonna put on, because I done brought a ponytail, and I love going to the wig store out here. Oh yes, they have a great wig store. One of my favorites. I don't know. My thing now is just to, I like going to beauty supplies and just seeing the different wigs they got. I don't know. If it's a good wig store, I'd be wanting to go. So, yeah. Anyways, if you're watching this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl, because I'm going to be doing different videos and stuff like that. And I would love for you to join my fly, fluffy, and fabulous community that I'm going to build here. And you guys will just see my personality and see all the things I like to do. Okay, so, oh, and also you can add me on my social platforms. Usually I'm Diva TT, DIVATEETEE. And yes, add me, because I do socialize back. I'm not one of them influencers who don't, you know, talk back to my commenters and supporters. I love you guys. So please do that, and I'm gonna stop rambling. So this is my outfit of the day. The outfit is from DIAANDCO, and it has pockets. It's a skirt with it's a two-piece with a skirt, long skirt, and look at this slip. And showing a little thigh meat. And of course we have the ruffled top, and it also, you can pull this a little tighter. You can pull it tighter, but I'm just chilling today, so This is my, almost fell. This is my outfit for today though. And it is cute. Giving me life. Perfect for any occasion. Like, we just gonna go, I guess, out on a night on the town, hang out and chill, and it's perfect. I have a discount code for DIAANDCO, which is DivaTT. If you use that at your checkout, when you're checking out on DIAANDCO, you will get some coin off. We all love the coin off option. Okay, we always looking to save some coins, so use that discount code DivaTT, DIVATEETEE, and this is a cute outfit. Let me see if I can do a mirror shot. Oh, this room don't have another mirror. Oh, it's right here. It's kind of dim over here. But can y'all see? Is the outfit giving what it was supposed to give? Because it is cute to me. I'm not showing my feet. I need a pedicure. But as y'all can see, my outfit is cute. Cute. Let me see if I can go in another mirror. Another mirror. Well, wait, let me just show you my makeup. We doing the makeup look. So I think I left my inglot. At home. So guess what I had to use as a replacement for eyeliner? You guessed it. I used Dip Brow by MAC on my eyelids. It's not as dark as I would like. And yes, I did put mascara, but I'm looking kind of dusty at the eyes. I'm used to my black lip liner, but when in doubt, when you have left your eyeliner at home, honey, I had to improvise. And I used my Dip Brow for a little eyeliner on the top lid. I forgot to put my lower lid on, but that's okay. Earrings are Shein. Hold on, earring. Okay, straighten out so you can see, so we can look good. And I also, these earrings are Shein. Necklace, of course, is by Paparazzi, because I love my Paparazzi accessories. And that is my full outfit of the day. And I am happy with the way I look. Outfit on point. On point. Okay, yeah. Is from DIAANDCO. Today's outfit is from DIAANDCO, and it is cute. It's a two-piece set. You got the long skirt with 2 pockets. Yes, we love pockets. I love pockets. I just like I need somewhere to rest my hands, and I like it. And they're comfortable, roomy, deep pockets. And it also comes with a cute long slit in the front. So I'm showing some thigh. I'm showing some thigh. I'm showing some thigh meat. And then you have the cute little ruffle top. You have a tie here, so you can adjust it. And you can also adjust it here and make it tighter so you can be showing off that fupa and that stomach because we ain't hiding, baby. So, but yeah, I'm just chilling today, so I'm not going to do that. But it's still cute either way. So you don't have, you can wear it loose, or you can tighten this up so you can get that skin showing. And I really love this outfit. It's really cute. And I'm going to do a spin and another spin. It's really cute. And I have a discount code for DIAANDCO, which is Diva TT, DIVA TEE. And then when you use that, when you check out of your cart on DIAANDCO, you will get a discount. So make sure you save all those coins, okay? That's what we love. So I will link that in the description box below. And enjoy this cute outfit.